Hey Gene, Ryan Davis. Just want to kind of give you an overview via video rather than trading pictures, and since I know you're traveling a distance, make sure this will help the scope of the work as far as what we're looking done. This should look familiar. This is the road that you built. That's the entrance coming into our property. It would be nice if possible to get another overlay of the pink crushed granite on there, but we're going to be leaving that majority the same. I'm standing right here on the actual low water crossing. This should be somewhat familiar to you. And just walking up the road here to where the scope of this work is really going to start, which is going to be right here on the other side towards the house, the road that you built with the chip seal. And this is where we want to start the actual asphalt coming up the road here. You can see where some of the damage has been done by a little bit heavier trucks here to my left. But coming up this hill, looking towards the asphalt and paving, and then getting to the main purpose, which is that new barn that's constructed right there. And you can see it's elevated about 2 feet from the floor, which we're needing to build a driveway. There's the house, and again the existing road that you built coming all the way up to the house via chip seal. So again, all this road being an asphalt overlay, and then building the driveway into the barn. You can see the 2 bays that will need to have obviously a sloped driveway to the road here. Then there's also an entrance and a carport. So all this, when you're thinking about it, would need to have a new driveway front. That would also be asphalt along with the road. To come in here, there's a little extra step on these bays, and that is we put in this back entrance or exit that doesn't necessarily need to be asphalt, but it would be nice to get some road base in here to slope down to get any type of exit for the tractor, golf cart, UTV, whatever it may be. Again, doesn't have to be asphalt, but can be just a road base or riprap, angled and sloped, so we can get a piece of machinery out of it. Here's the view outside the bays of where the driveway will need to be. Hoping we can possibly come up with some creativity and maybe flare that driveway to the road to the right, and maybe a little bit of flare to the existing road in the parking area currently towards the house. Carport, entrance, coming back to the road, and seeing if we can with the asphalt up here, since it does expand out a little bit, maybe kind of flatten it out as best as possible for, you know, a little bit more conducive to putting up a basketball goal or something. And I'm not opposed to widening it out if we need to, if it looks aesthetically right with the actual driveway coming off the barn. So there's the scope, there's the road. Again, looking at asphalt from the bottom of the spillway up to the house. And then if we have an ability to kind of overlay any type of pink granite to get a new supply from the road to the actual, from the entrance to the actual spillway, that'd be nice as well. That's the project. Any questions? I'm sure we'll be talking soon. Thank you, buddy.